Have you ever loved someone completely and lost them? A story that touches the heart and leaves a deep void in the heart. Let's listen to the most painful story of Pyar Adhura Reh Gaya. Nikhil and Arpita met in a small cafe when Nikhil was sitting tired from his work and Arpita was lost in her books. The first time their eyes met, it was as if the world of both of them changed. There was a strange stir in their hearts. Nikhil spoke to Arpita for the first time. Can you tell me about that book too? Arpita smiled and then a new friendship began, which slowly turned into a deep relationship. Their love was true, but there was also a deep link in that true love. Surbhi, Arpita's friend, who was Nikhil's childhood friend. Surbhi always stayed with Nikhil, and Arpita always felt as if Surbhi's heart was somewhere for Nikhil. Arpita never noticed it, but she started to feel that maybe something was not right. One day, Nikhil and Arpita were sitting in a park and talking about their future. Arpita asked Nikhil, "Do you really love me?" Nikhil replied without hesitation, "Yes, I love you very much. You are my world." But there was a question in Arpita's eyes, "Can you accept me completely?" Nikhil remained silent for a while, then said, "Yes, loving you is the easiest thing for me." But was it true? One day Arpita found out that there was a deep connection between Nikhil and Surbhi. They both were with each other since childhood, and Surbhi's heart was for Nikhil. This truth left a deep wound in Arpita's heart. When she questioned Nikhil about this, he said, "I love you, but can never forget Surbhi completely." This answer froze like an ice cube in Arpita's heart. Time passed, and Arpita decided to move away from Nikhil, hiding her love. But Nikhil's world was shattered without Arpita. He had Arpita's memories everywhere, but he also understood that he never loved Arpita properly. One day Arpita met Nikhil for the last time. "Can you forgive me?" Nikhil asked. Arpita had tears in her eyes, and she said, "I never held any grudge against you, but now I need a chance to live myself. We both have to separate." Nikhil lost Arpita completely, and he realized that sometimes we understand the importance of some things only after losing them. But now nothing could be brought back. The love between them was now just a memory. Arpita left, and Nikhil was now alone, but with a lesson. Love should be pursued with a true heart, because incomplete love always hurts. Have you ever lost your love? Have you ever felt that something is left incomplete in love? If you liked our story, then share it with your friends and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. The truth of love is never simple, and love always remains incomplete in this world.